In this video, you will be learning about what a rational number is. In the previous video, you have learned what an integer is. So now our focus for today is what a rational number is. So a rational number is any positive or negative number that can be written as a fraction. And this includes terminating and repeating decimals. So what do I mean by repeating and terminating decimals? So a terminating decimal is a decimal that ends. For instance, 0.68, right? That ends, right? And 0.213 or 3.12. Right? These are called terminating. They do end. They're decimals, but they end, right? They don't keep on going on and on and on forever. Repeating decimals are decimals that keep on going forever, but they have a pattern. So what I mean by that is like 3.2. If I put the line on top of that 2, that really indicates, okay, that it is 3.2222. But I know that it's going to be 3.22. I know there's not a 1 is not going to appear after 5 2s, right? There's a pattern. And same thing goes with 4.21. If I put a line on top of 2 and 1, I mean it's going to be 2, 1, 2, 1. That really means like 4.21212121. And another example could be 0.2. Right, that means, okay, 2 is keep on going on and on forever. And also 0.12 and a line of that 2 is also really a repeating decimal because that 2 would keep on going on and on forever. So these are repeating decimals. Repeating. And these ones are terminating, decimals that end. Now more examples. So let's do more examples of rational numbers. So an example of a rational number could be 1/2, -1 1/5, 1/4, 0.25, -1/6, 2/3, -1/3, 5/9, and 0.3, right, repeating. So all these are considered rational numbers. Now, non-example would be decimals again that can't be written as a fraction, or like non-repeating, not terminating decimals. What do I mean by that? Okay, the first big example is pi, right? We think of pi because it can't really be written as a fraction. Another one is 3.6977821 ... We do not know. We can't predict what number will be next. These are called non-terminating. They never end, and there is no specific pattern. Another example could be, let's say another example. It also could be negative numbers too, like -3.1215 6, 7, ... right? Another word for all of these numbers that I'm just listing are called irrational. No, so all these examples, if it's not a rational number, it has to be an irrational number. It's either irrational or rational. So that's that. And hopefully this video helped you better understand what rational numbers are, and it helped you better understand the differences between integers and